Okay, today we're going to talk about how to resize this door knob opening. It already has the fixed knob, so we don't have to worry about that. But we're going to want to put in our deadbolt. Right now the hole here is much too close to the edge. We're going to need to move this hole over. To do that, we have a door kit we're going to use, and we're going to re-drill this hole and make it a little bit bigger so we can put our new lock and key in there. As you can see, this hole is already drilled, so we're not going to have to worry about that. We're only going to have to re-drill this hole. Once you slide this piece on, what you want to do is come around to this side and make sure these holes are aligned. After you do that, you're going to want to screw in these two screws to hold it in place. Okay, we're going to be using this bit. So as you can see, it comes in two pieces. So we're going to want to insert this piece into there, and then we'll put it into our drill.